Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a Mug Mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have my mug image over here, and I also have my pattern design over here. So I'll turn on the visibility of my pattern image and reduce its opacity to, let's go with something like 50% so that I can see through my pattern design. Now press Command T or Control T and let's resize our pattern design to fit our mug. So let's go with something like this. This is okay for me. Now when I'm done, I'll push the opacity all the way back to 100. Then I'll turn off the visibility of my pattern image. What I'll do is I'll select the background, right click this side and select Object Selection tool. Now let's make a selection of our mug. So gently make a selection, draw around the mug to make a selection. Now let's wait for Photoshop to make the selection for us. Nice. Now that Photoshop has made a selection for us, what we do is go to Select, Modify, and let's expand it a little bit. So let's go with an expand value of 1 pixels. This is okay. Whilst the selection is active, turn on the visibility of our pattern layer, select our pattern layer and click this side to add a layer mask. Something like this is okay. Now select this side and let's change the blend mode of our pattern layer from normal to multiply. Now go to FX and select blending options. Over here we'll be working with the underlining layer. So hold down the Option or Alt key and then left click and drag this side to the left side. So let's go with something like this. And also hold down the Option or Alt key, left click and drag this side to the right side. So let's go with something like this. So just play around with the sliders. I think this is okay for me. Nice. So now you can see that the reflection, like there's a reflection on our mug through passing through our pattern design over here. So what I'll do is I don't want the pattern to cover every part of the mug, so I would like to clear this part. I'll select my pen tool and gently make a selection around this side. So let's go with something like this. Nice. Then when I'm done, I'll press Command Enter or Control Enter to make the selection active. Select my brush tool, select the layer mask and make sure the foreground color is black. Then I'll paint over this side, clear the pattern image over there. When I'm done, I'll press Command D or Control D to deselect. Now what I'll do is let's add some curves. So adding the curve, let's create some kind of S shape. So drag this one down, left click and then drag it up and select this side to clip it onto our pattern design over here. So here is the before and here is the after. Okay guys, so this is how to easily create a Mug Mockup in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.